Welcome to our roundup of the best pickup tonneau covers you can get right now. Whether you're looking to protect your cargo, improve fuel efficiency, or give your truck a sleek and stylish upgrade, we've selected top-rated tonneau covers that deliver durability, security, and convenience. From hard-folding designs to soft roll-up options, these covers are built to handle tough weather conditions while keeping your gear safe and organized. We'll break down each model's key features, including material quality, ease of installation, locking systems, weather resistance, and overall usability to help you find the perfect fit for your truck. Don't forget to check the description box below for the latest deals. Let's dive in and find the ideal tonneau cover for you. The first on the list is the FRP Hard Trifold Tonneau Cover Fold Truck Bed Cover. This FRP hard trifold cover is designed for truck owners who want strong protection at a more budget-friendly price point. It highlights fiberglass reinforced polymer, trifold quick access design, and weatherproof perimeter seals as its core strengths. The fiberglass reinforced polymer construction provides impressive durability while keeping the cover relatively lightweight. Unlike basic soft covers, this hard trifold design offers added security and better resistance against impact and extreme weather. The panels are sturdy enough to protect your cargo from heavy rain, intense sun exposure, and even light snow accumulation. The trifold configuration makes accessing your truck bed fast and convenient. You can fold one panel for partial access or fold all three sections toward the cab when you need full bed space. The built-in safety straps secure the folded panels during driving, preventing movement and maintaining stability on highways. Installation is user-friendly with a no-drill clamp system. The included mounting hardware allows most F-150 owners to install the cover without professional help. The frame aligns securely with the truck bed rails, creating a tight seal along the edges. Overall, the FRP Hard Trifold offers solid durability, practical convenience, and dependable weather protection, making it a strong mid-range choice for F-150 owners who want hard cover security without stretching their budget. Next up is the Real Truck Undercover Flex Hard Folding Truck Bed Tonneau Cover. The Undercover Flex is built for truck owners who want premium protection with maximum versatility. Right out of the gate, it stands out with its heavy-duty aluminum panels, matte black textured finish, and dual-action tailgate seal. These features immediately signal that this cover is designed for serious performance and long-term durability. The hard folding design gives you the flexibility to drive with it fully closed, partially open, or completely folded up against the cab for full bed access. The aluminum panels are incredibly strong, providing reliable protection against theft and harsh weather. The matte black finish not only adds a sleek, low-profile look to your F-150, but it is also resistant to scratches and UV damage, keeping it looking sharp over time. One of the biggest advantages of the Undercover Flex is its weather resistance. The integrated rubber seals and dual-action tailgate seal help block out rain, snow, and dust. Even during heavy downpours, your cargo stays protected. The automatic latching system secures each panel tightly, adding another layer of safety when you lock your tailgate. Installation is straightforward with a clamp-on system that requires no drilling. Most users can complete the setup with basic tools in under an hour. The cover sits flush with the truck bed rails, maintaining your truck's aerodynamic profile while enhancing overall style. Overall, the Undercover Flex delivers excellent security, durability, and versatility. It is a premium solution for F-150 owners who want a strong, stylish, and dependable hard-folding tonneau cover. Next, we have the Rough Country Soft Roll-Up Truck Bed Cover. Rough Country is known for off-road accessories, and this soft roll-up cover continues that reputation with practical performance. It stands out with marine-grade vinyl construction, low-profile rail mounting, and quick roll-up access. The marine-grade vinyl material is built to handle tough environments. Whether you're driving through rain, mud, or dusty backroads, this cover helps shield your cargo from the elements. The vinyl is resistant to tearing and fading, which makes it suitable for both work trucks and daily drivers. The roll-up design offers excellent convenience. When you need full access to your truck bed, simply release the tailgate latches and roll the cover toward the cab. It secures neatly with built-in straps, giving you complete hauling space in seconds. When closed, the tension system keeps the cover tight and smooth, preventing sagging over time. Installation is quick and does not require drilling. The clamp-on rail system fits securely to most F-150 bed configurations. Many users appreciate that they can complete installation in under 30 minutes with basic hand tools. Although soft covers do not provide the same theft resistance as hard panels, this model includes sturdy hook and loop side seals and a tailgate locking system that works with your truck's tailgate lock. Overall, the Rough Country soft roll-up cover is a dependable and affordable option for F-150 owners who prioritize ease of use, weather protection, and a lightweight design. Next is the two-tel hard shell folding truck bed cover. The two-tel hard shell cover blends modern engineering with strong protective performance. Its key highlights include aircraft-grade aluminum frame, impact-resistant polymer panels, and auto-latching system. This folding cover combines a durable aluminum frame with tough polymer panels that resist dents, scratches, and harsh weather. The textured surface also resists UV damage, helping it maintain its appearance over time. Overall, the two-tel hardshell offers a balanced mix of strength, modern design, and dependable security. It is an excellent choice for F-150 owners who want hard cover protection with smooth operation and easy installation. The last one on our list is the Tiger Auto T1 soft roll-up truck bed cover. The Tiger Auto T1 is a popular choice for truck owners looking for reliable performance at an accessible price point. It features dual-coated marine vinyl, built-in crossbars, and tool-free installation as its standout benefits. The dual-coated marine vinyl material provides strong resistance against rain, UV rays, and dirt. It maintains flexibility in different temperatures, which helps prevent cracking over time. The roll-up design makes accessing your truck bed effortless. Simply release the rear latches and roll the cover toward the cab. It secures neatly with straps, giving you complete hauling space in seconds. When closed, the tension system keeps the cover tight and smooth, preventing sagging over time. Installation is one of its biggest advantages. The tool-free clamp system allows most F-150 owners to install the cover quickly without drilling or special equipment. The adjustable tension system ensures a snug fit, keeping the vinyl smooth and secure during driving. Overall, the Tiger Auto T1 offers excellent value, easy installation, and dependable weather protection. It is a smart option for F-150 owners who want a practical and affordable soft roll-up tonneau cover. If this video helped you narrow down your choice, make sure to give it a like and subscribe for more helpful truck gear reviews. All product links are waiting in the description box below. Thanks for watching.